Every day, millions of potatoes begin a remarkable journey inside one of the world's most advanced snack factories. Fresh potatoes arrive continuously from farms located hundreds of kilometers away. Before unloading begins, every shipment undergoes strict quality inspection. Laboratory analysis ensures the potatoes meet precise production standards. Approved potatoes are unloaded and transferred into the processing system. Storage conditions are carefully controlled to preserve quality. Automated systems remove unsuitable potatoes before processing. Powerful washing equipment cleans every potato thoroughly. Multiple cleaning stages ensure maximum hygiene. Advanced steam peeling systems remove skins with minimal waste. After peeling, operators verify that skins have been completely removed and that each potato meets strict quality standards. Machine vision technology instantly detects imperfections that may be invisible to the human eye. Automated rejection systems ensure that only approved potatoes continue through the process. The potatoes are mechanically broken down to create a consistent base material for the crisp dough. Carefully controlled mixing creates a texture suitable for high-speed production. Part of the mixture is processed into potato flakes that help create the product's signature texture. Additional starch helps achieve the consistency required for precision shaping. Multiple ingredients are blended according to carefully controlled recipes. Computer-controlled mixers ensure every batch meets exact specifications. The finished dough now begins its transformation into the recognizable curved potato crisps. The dough travels through a carefully controlled production line where consistency is critical. Heavy-duty rollers transform the dough into an extremely thin and uniform sheet. Even tiny variations can affect product quality, so thickness is constantly adjusted. Laser measurement systems verify dimensional accuracy in real time. Automated vision systems ensure the sheet remains perfectly smooth before cutting. Controlled conditioning prepares the dough for precise cutting and shaping.
Specialized cutters are designed to produce thousands of identical chip blanks every minute.
The familiar oval shape begins to emerge as thousands of blanks are cut every minute. Recovered material is carefully reintroduced, maximizing efficiency while maintaining quality.
High-speed machine vision cameras work alongside the operators to verify the size and shape consistency of every single chip blank.
Precision handling systems position every chip perfectly for shaping. The famous curved shape improves strength, stacking efficiency, and packaging performance. Thousands of shaped chips move through the factory every minute. Precise geometry is essential for uniform frying and perfect stacking.
The shaped chips are now ready for one of the most important stages in production.
Computer-controlled fryers maintain exact temperatures throughout the cooking process.
Frying transforms the dough into crispy potato chips, with their characteristic texture. Controlled immersion ensures every chip cooks evenly from edge to center. Advanced sensors continuously monitor cooking conditions to maintain product consistency. As cooking finishes, moisture levels are reduced to achieve the signature crispness consumers expect. The chips leave the fryer with their shape permanently set. Careful oil management helps create a consistent texture and flavor profile. The chips must cool under carefully controlled conditions before seasoning. Cooling stabilizes the structure of the chips and prepares them for flavor application. At this stage, the chips have developed the light and crispy texture that defines the finished product. Automated inspection systems continuously verify product quality.
Only chips meeting strict standards continue to the seasoning process.
The final flavor profile is added through a carefully controlled seasoning process.
Computer-controlled dispensers apply exact amounts of seasoning to every batch.
Continuous movement helps distribute flavor evenly across every chip surface.
Automated quality control verifies that seasoning is distributed correctly.
The finished crisps now begin the final stage of their journey. The chips must be precisely aligned before stacking can begin.
Accurate positioning ensures smooth stacking and protects the chips from damage.
The product's iconic stack is created through highly precise automation. Every stack must meet exact specifications before entering its container.
At the same time, packaging containers are supplied automatically to the filling station.
The familiar canisters are manufactured to protect the chips during transportation and storage. Before filling begins, every canister is inspected to ensure it meets packaging standards. Two synchronized production lines now merge into a single packaging process. Advanced handling systems load the stacks quickly while minimizing breakage. Each package is weighed to confirm the correct product quantity. Nitrogen helps protect freshness and reduces the risk of chip damage during transportation. A protective foil barrier is applied before final sealing. Heat and pressure create an airtight seal that preserves product quality. Every seal is checked to ensure freshness is protected throughout distribution. The final protective lid is added before labeling and shipment. Traceability codes allow every package to be tracked throughout the supply chain. Every package is checked to ensure labeling accuracy before leaving the production floor.
The finished products now enter the final packaging stage before shipment.
Robotic systems package products with speed and precision impossible to achieve manually. Each carton is securely sealed to protect products during transportation. Every shipment is digitally tracked throughout the supply chain. Every pallet is built according to carefully programmed logistics requirements. Every pallet is built according to carefully programmed logistics requirements. Protective wrapping stabilizes the load and prevents movement during transport. The finished products are transferred into storage while awaiting shipment. Sophisticated logistics systems manage millions of packages moving through the facility each year. Before reaching stores, the finished products are stored in a carefully managed distribution warehouse. Advanced software tracks every pallet in real time throughout the supply chain.
Distribution specialists coordinate deliveries to retailers, wholesalers, and regional warehouses.
Watch your left side. Okay, bringing this one in now. Clear the bay.
Even at the final stage, quality teams continue verifying product standards. Behind the scenes, engineers supervise every aspect of production from a centralized control center. In this massive facility, industrial automation allows thousands of perfectly formed crisps to be seasoned and packaged every hour. From raw ingredients to finished products, the entire process operates with extraordinary efficiency.
The finished products are distributed to stores and consumers around the world.
Engines. From freshly harvested potatoes to perfectly stacked crisps, every canister represents advanced engineering, precision manufacturing.
Wow. Amazing Pringles. Perfect crunch. Amazing Pringles.